What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have another freebie knife. So yeah, like I don't know, it was last month, 2 months ago. I can't freaking remember. So, anyways, I made my order from Blade HQ, bulk order for my channel here, and they had the option to get this freebie knife. So I said, yeah, why not? I'm not going to turn it down, right? So yeah, so it's another QSP, and I know I just did a QSP last week. Yeah, last week, and that was from a giveaway. It went from JB on Big Red EDC. Thanks again. I love the knife. Not gonna kiss your butt no more. But so yeah, I got 2 free QSPs in a month. Can't beat that, right? So, anyways, let's get into this guy. So this is the Leopard or Leopard, as you people who speak proper English would say, and it is 14C28N with a green micarta handle. So let's check it out. Freebies. I love micarta. I haven't mentioned that before. That I love micarta, but I do. So I got a pinky sticker there. Nice. I'll put that somewhere. And a card with information, which I will need here shortly. So keep that cover Shiro up real quick with that guy. And, ooh, velvet. What is that, velvet? Anyway, so yeah, nice little box. Nice and tight with the foam there. So if you want to store it, you can store it in there. And here it is. And I'm going to get my rags. I'm sure it's going to be needed. Anyways, take a quick look. Yep, green micarta. Very nice. Yeah, it's like nice linen micarta. Get out of here. And let's pop it open. Heck yeah. Good action. QSP. I'm going to wipe that down real quick. Very cool looking blade. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you real quick, this handle is very thin. So for me, the arrows might not be there, but for others, you'll probably be fine. I have big, stupid hands. Anyways, nice looking finish in there. Like a nice satin finish. Good looking blade grind. Feel the blade for sharpiness. Nice and sharp, like a razor. Very nice looking. And let's look at the thumb stud again before I even go further. So, did I say thumb stud? The flipper. Yeah, the flipper there. Kind of interesting looking flipper there. Little jimping on top. Big chunk of jimping right there. And you see when you open it, jimping's over there. So it gives you a little more grip if you're holding like maybe like that. Yeah, that works. So cool. Anyways, talking about the blade a little more. 14C28N. Got a little QSP logo. And look at that. It's a nice finish on there, isn't it? Pretty cool. Jimping. Very good jimping. And QSP normally has very good jimping, so I've never had a problem with that. Then it's on the back. Little 14C28N, just like I said. And let's check the blade play. Non-existent. Super solid. Heck yeah. Check that lockout. That's about 23.7% over there. So yeah, it locks and it unlocks. So it works. Is it drop sheddy? Need a little coaxing, but it is on bearings. So we got that going for us. Very nice so far. So let's take a look around. No hot spots at all to even mention that. Maybe the logo you could feel a little, but that's not a hot spot. That's just me being finicky. Anyways, yeah, screws are all very flush. Can't even feel them. All you feel is straight micarta. Got a nice lanyard hole there, and it's not reversible as you can see, unfortunately for my lefty friends. But yeah, I got a nice little G10 backspacer on there. Comes all the way around. Take a look at the back of the, oh yeah, there you go, same thing. Even the pivot's nice and flush. All the hardware's flush. And we got a nice little clip there. Let's good tension on there. The screws do stick out a bit, so I'm not sure if that's going to get hung up. They are pretty, they're rounded off, so hopefully it doesn't make a big issue. It shouldn't. Got enough space in there. Not super deep carry, but deep enough. We probably got about, less than a 1/4 inch sticking out of your pocket there. See if that thing's centered. Nice and centered. Man, the liners are shiny as heck. Very cool. I like the liners on there. And let's pop it over one more time. Yeah, the action, very good. Centered up. Very nice knife, as to be expected from QSP. So looking at the card real quick, look at some detail. If I can pick the damn thing up. There we go. So like I said, it's on bearings there. Got a 3-inch blade, 7.25-inch all overall. Yeah, and it's a 14C28N. Micarta handles. Very cool. Yeah, not disappointed. Of course, it was free. I think they charge about $50 for these. And I said, yeah, it's a little, my hands are real big and dumb, so yeah, it doesn't really fill out my hand at all, but not bad at all, man. I'm digging this. QSP, you've done it again. So, yeah, guys, if you have any comments, you want to talk about whatever, if you have one, let me know what you think. Leave a like, maybe subscribe if you feel like it. And I'll talk to you guys again soon. And like always, thank you to all my veteran brothers and sisters out there. And all you active duty guys, stay safe and come home. We miss you. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you next time.